Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Today we are going to complete question answers of the poem on the water. Okay, we are going to complete what? Question answers of the poem. The first question which is asked in the poem is list the insects, birds, trees and plants mentioned in the poem. We have to write down names of plants. We have to write down names of insects, birds, trees and plants. Okay. So, insect. In insects, what will come? Question number 1. First, insects. In insects, what will come? Dragonfly. What will come? Dragonfly. After that, what is the second one? Second one which is asked is birds. In birds, what is there? In birds, swallow. In birds, swallow and kingfisher. 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 And in trees and animals, what is that third one? Trees and plants. Trees and plants. What will come? Lilies, reeds, then bulrush, bulrush, bulrush. Okay, in this way, insects, dragonfly, birds, swallow, kingfisher, trees and plants, lilies, reeds, bulrush. Is it visible? Yes. Now next question which is asked in the book is list the rhyming words in the poem. Which all words are rhyming in the poem? The rhyming words are, in the book only it is given, glide, wide. Glide, glide. Wide, wide. Second, run, run. sun, sun. Seec, tree. Large, large. Marge, merge. After that, place, place. Mace. Gleam, gleam. Stream, stream. Then BOAT, bloat. BOAT, boat. FLOAT, float. Understood? In this way, question number 1 is completed, question number 2 is completed. After that, question number 3, which is asked in the book, is write what the following do with the help of the poem. Now, what does ripples do? What does lily do? What does lily does? What does swallow does? Then fishes, then kingfisher. So, first one is ripples. Third answer. What does ripples do? Ripples run. What does ripples do? Ripples run. What does lilies do? Lies. What does lilies do? Lilies float. After that, swallow. What does swallow does? Swallow schemes. SKIMS, schemes. Fourth one, fishes. What does fishes do? Fishes spring and gleam, spring, gleam and splash. Fifth one, and kingfisher, and kingfisher darts. Understood? In this way we have written third answer also. Next question which is asked in the book is, write what the poet is doing. What we have to do? We have to write down what does the poet is doing. Does he like the experience? Write the line that tells us this. Okay, we can write down the poet in his boat. Fourth one, the poet in his boat the poet is add is. The poet is in his boat gliding on the wide and blue water of a stream. Enjoying the beauty of nature. Enjoying the beauty of nature. Yes, he likes the experience. He likes the experience. And the line which tells is, I could give us more. What could give us? Which line tells? The line is, what could give us more delight? What could give us more delight? DELIGHT. Understood? In this way we have completed all 4 question answers. Please complete this all 4 question answers in your English notebook as well as in your English workbook. Okay, just don't complete your notebooks, complete your workbooks also. And I think so lesson number, from which lesson? From lesson number 13, I think so. Yes, Gulliver's Travels. From lesson number 13 to lesson number 17. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5 lessons are coming for exams. Okay, 5 topics are coming for exams. From that 2 are poems, I think so, and 3 are lessons. So you have to prepare for examination. Prepare properly. Okay, and grammar portion is not taken for unit test 2. Grammar portion I will take afterwards. Okay, prepare for examination and have a nice day.